Chicas, señorita. Whatever.
Casey, what's up? Okay. Okay, so you know that last video we took? I lost my voice. Like, can you hear it?
Stop laughing at me. It's not funny. I lost it.
Like an idiot? I know her.
Okay.
Oh, my ass is bleeding.
Don't I sound like that girl from the smoking commercial?
No.
Yes, I do. Okay, ready?
Don't.
Okay. I gotta miss the sound of my own voice.
She's not fucking British and song.
I miss the sound of my voice. And now I can only hear it in my own head. My head. Just down, low. That's like a voice crack like Sean's. Down, low, down.
Okay.
Down, low.
We should make a video of this.
Down. What's your name? My name
It's Janice.
is Janet. I started smoking when I was only 17 years old. And I like dogs. I eat 3 hot dogs every day. And now I can't.
So the ball's out my throat.
And now I can't. What? I want my voice back.
Oh, you have pants on. Okay. This really sucks.
Oh, fuck! What the fuck? Ow! Oh, no!
I was videoing that the whole time, fucking idiot.
What?